almost anything. So just do what you love. Live it, share it, you know it's what you're dreaming of. What we love, what we do makes a difference in me and you.
Hey everybody, it's Sarah here, and I'm in our Kanab manufacturing facility. So this is in southern Utah. This is where I grew up, people. And we're going to talk to Cherokee about how we use a mag plate and a matrix board and how it's part of the rubber stamp manufacturing process. So you ready? Here we go. Talk to me about how this works, Cherokee.
What happens is we send artwork from the Riverton office to California, and then they will, we call it a mag plate because it's made out of magnesium and zinc and something else, but those are the two main ingredients. What they do is an acid bath. This is hanging upside down. They wash it, they give us the image, and they ship it to me. I measure it. I measure the hematite, the floor, so we got it all right. And then when I am ready to make the plate, I just set it down there like that. I cut out the matrix board. This is simply paper and glue and resin. We cut it out to the size of the mag plate. We lay it on top. We preheat it for 3 minutes. We cook it for 12. Here's your plate.
Okay, so this is how the stamp is made. So the mag is actually what your stamp's going to look like, and then the matrix board is what the rubber goes into so that you get that impression. And so this is where the actual stamps are made, and it's loud in here because it's ventilated so that everybody stays safe from fumes and stuff like that. And so I'm going to try to talk really loud so that you can hear me. I'm going to kind of come on over here and show you how the rubber is actually vulcanized. So we've got these really big ovens in the burn room, and right now we've got 4 matrix boards laid out here on the oven. You guys can recognize the stamp set, right? It's in the holiday. And what we're going to do, Jennifer's going to lay down the rubber right on top of that matrix board. And then she's going to lay the sheet over the top. And then in it goes into the oven. You can see that it's raising up so that it can be burned. Or vulcanized, I guess is the proper term. Okay, so you can see that this has come out of the oven. We're going to peel the plate up. We got to cut those boards apart. And there's your beautiful stamp set. Nice and hot. And then those matrix boards are used again. Okay, so once the rubber's been burned, it comes over here, and trimmed actually, then it comes over here and it goes on this drying rack so that it can cool down, because you don't want to mount the rubber onto the foam backing until it's completely cooled, because it doesn't shrink properly. Like, so if you were to put the rubber onto the foam over here, I'll show you, well, while it was warm, then it wouldn't shrink properly. Like, you'd have quality issues. So we got to make sure that it cools all the way. Once the rubber's cooled down, there's Matt. Say hi, Matt.
Hi.
He's going to lay that down on the sticky back. It's all nice and sticky. And then it gets trimmed so that when we come over here, we can die cut it. There's all of our cookie cutters.
Hi, Sarah.
Hey! Okay, so talk to me about how you line that up.
Okay, these little guides right here.
Oh yeah.
They slide and they fit right into the knife here.
So you guys, this is the die knife. And the rubber goes right on top of it. Or swing the little clicker around. You've got your stamp set. Check it out. There you go. That's how a stamp is made, people. Once the stamps have been die cut, then it just flows down the line into the packaging area. Now the stamp set that they're packaging today is actually clear mount, so the foam is a little bit different, the backing on it. And then it goes into the cases here. This is where the inserts put in, the stamp set, and the label.
Okay, slow down.
Hey guys, say hi! I showed you how the clear mount stamps kind of went together, but this is how the rubber mount stamps go together. So the process for burning the rubber is the same, but when it comes out of the burn room, then you have to also put the blocks in the cases as well. And so that's what this looks like. It's a lot more time consuming, and they've got a map that they follow. So all of the blocks are in order. The label goes in, and then they start the process of putting all of the blocks in. So let me hop down here. Whoop. Okay, and then got your blocks going in. Everybody working on the line. You get down here. And they're following this cool map. It shows where all the blocks go. And I know how much you guys would love this kind of a map, huh?
Sometimes it's really hard to close too.
Alright.
You can do most anything, so just do what you